The rubber weather strips on your car will start deteriorating with age, especially when the car is parked outdoors and exposed to the elements. The rubber cracking, splitting, and eventually falling apart is inevitable. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the window weather strip seal trims for an Acura TSX. The specific car we're working on today is the second gen, but instructions will be the same for some other Acura and Honda models as well. These window weather strip trims are secured by clips. One black clip in one end followed by 3 or 4 white clips. We find the black clips are the hardest to remove, so start with those. The black clips are located where the door pillar is on each door. For each window trim strip, start on the pillar side end. Starting with the front trim, use a plastic pry tool and slip it between the trim and door frame. You want to pry and lift up at the same time. Ideally, it's great if you're able to push up on the pry tool to dislodge the trim. Otherwise, the idea is to lift the trim high enough to get a good grip with your fingers underneath. You may need to gently pry along the rest of the strip to help loosen it. Once you're able to get a good hold of the trim, use some force and yank it up. Don't worry about snapping the clips or the strip itself, you won't need those anymore. You'll be hesitant with the amount of force you should use, but once you get over the fear, the rest of the job is easy. Once the strip is removed, give this area a quick cleaning before installing the new strip. For the front trims, you'll need to slide the end by your side mirrors into a small notch by the mirror housing. Unfortunately, it was a bad camera angle and we didn't capture that part. But you'll know what we're talking about when you see it. After lining up the trim with the grooves, all you need to do is push down to snap in place. Give it a check to make sure it's secured and you're all set. Now let's look at the trim for the rear door. Start by the pillar side and pry up. If it feels stuck, work your pry tool along the trim to loosen it. You'll notice some black sticky gunk. That's the rubber on the bottom of the strip that's disintegrating. Again, once the old trim is removed, clean the area before you install the new strip. Installation is pretty much the same. Line up with the groove and push down to snap in place. You'll see that it gets easier with each strip. Once you get over the fear of snapping something, it's much quicker. It took us about 35 minutes to replace all 4 weather strip seal trims. Links to the trims and pry tools we used are included in the description below. An easy DIY project that will give the car a nice little refresh. You'll be glad you took the time to do it. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.